Students, good morning. In the previous class, we have written the third lesson textbook part note. In today's class, we are going to learn and write the fourth lesson textbook part, that is part 2, the park keeper. So, I request you to open textbook page number 26. And this first bit, A bit and B bit are the question answers. Coming to the C bit, number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. So, read all these sentences and you need to write the number which is the first sentence, which is the last sentence. Okay, so see the sentences first of all. The park was closed once a year for cleaning. They also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. So, when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. Pardo was a park keeper. Coming to the next page, during this time, Pardo and his team put up the litter in bins. This year, the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. He worked with a team of 5 people, but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. So now we are going to write the sentences in the correct order. So first of all, Pardo was a park keeper. Coming to the next second sentence is, he worked with a team of 5 people. Okay, next third sentence, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. This is the third sentence. Next fourth one, this year the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. And the fifth one is, during this time, Pardo and his team put up the litter in bins. And the sixth sentence is, they also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. And the seventh sentence is, but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. And the last sentence, so when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. Okay, so once check the correct order, 3, 6, 8, 1, 5, 4, 2, 7. Okay, next coming to the grammar, those are articles a and the. I have sent you the video also, no? So we use a before a consonant sound. Before consonant we are going to use a, and we use an before a vowel sound. Okay, vowel sounds are the sound that the letters are a, e, I, o, u. These are the vowels, and we use the before the names of the things we already know. Now coming to this bit, A bit, circle the correct word to complete each sentence. Leela has a or an orange. She has an orange. She shares a or the orange with her brother. The orange with her brother. I am reading a or an comic book. A comic book. A or the comic book is called Tenali Rama. The comic book. Next one, mother bakes an or a cake for my birthday. It is a cake. Next, the or an cake has my name on it. The cake has my name on it. Next one. Karan and Raja are in an or the zoo. They are in the zoo. They see an or a ostrich there. They see an ostrich there. My friend has a or the pet cat. He has a pet cat. A or the cat loves playing with yarn. The cat loves playing with yarn. Now Bibit, complete these sentences with a or an or the. He is an artist. See this? Here a is the vowel we are using. So before that we are going to write an. When it comes to a consonant we are going to write a. Next, I drink dash glass of milk. I drink a glass of milk and eat an egg. Okay. Next, Diya has a raincoat. Her brother Raju uses an umbrella when it rains. There is a small school in our village. We live near the school. Okay, we watched a film called Cinderella. We enjoyed dash film very much. The film very much. Okay, coming to this opposite words. Answer these questions with the opposites of the words in column. Look at the words in the box for help. And the words are far, new, clean, tall, small, dull. See the first one. Is the rabbit a large animal? No, it is a small animal. The opposite of large is small. Is a coconut tree a short tree? No, it is a tall. The opposite of short is tall. Third one, near, far. Coming to the fourth one, bright, dull. Next one, old, new. Dirty, clean. Okay. Next, coming to the writing part. Join the correct parts to write these sentences. Pardo is, so you need to match them first and then you need to write the sentences here. Pardo is a park keeper. Okay, his job is to keep the park clean. Next, he loves his job. Next, he wants children to enjoy the park. He and his team work very hard. Now, you need to write these sentences here. Okay, so complete this here and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.